Okay everyone, in this video is very special, it's very unique and it's very amazing because of this is about the one of my prompt and it's about from the one of AI platform. This is about the perfect beautiful tiny home. But in this video I will show you about not only one alternative design but also several alternative design about the perfect beautiful tiny home with the great material and great color and shaping composition and envelope design composition, amazing composition in this video. Okay, I hope this video will be give all of you about the benefit, about advantage and inspiration or design inspiration of tiny home. Okay, let's watch. Well, this first design is very impressful for me, as we can see from the outside of the tiny home. This is about the perfect, beautiful tiny home with a shape. It's similar with walls. It's curvy and like a dome. The tiny home. It's a perfect. And it has give us inspiration about the off-grid living, but it's not usual off-grid living. It's not ordinary off-grid living. It's about the grid off-grid living, but with dome tiny home with a perfect beautiful tiny home, as we can look from this first design inspiration on this video. Okay, we can go through the second design. We can see about the second design. It's almost perfect because of it's not only using the curvy shape, it's not only using the dome shape of this tiny home, but it also using the grid color, especially it's using the green or old green color to embrace with the environment on the surrounding neighborhood. But it's not only about the dome, but it also give us about the inspiration about the entrance, about the terrace area or courtyard area. It's semi-outdoor area, and about the elevation. It's very unique. It's very insightful for us, and I can't imagine about the how to build this to the reality. And also this one, I still can't imagine how to build. How about material anyway? But in my opinion, the material which using for to build this tiny home is using the composite. In my opinion, this is using composite panel or just a little concrete material on this dome or combined dome silent cylinder and dome tiny home. I think it's using the some component of it, and it has a great composition, especially for the mazing tiny home. It's not only one mazing, but have two mazing, which is the first mazing is cylinder and the second mazing is dome. Okay, and this fourth design it's also have this fourth design is also has two mazing, but this is about the separated mazing of the tiny home. It's seems like a extraordinary or it seems like an unusual tiny home design because of the mazing is unusual and extraordinary. We can see about the mazing. The first mazing is for living, and the second mazing is for bedroom or some of private area such as bedroom and anything, and if anything it's depend on the designer or user needs. And I think it seems like UFO and I don't know. Okay, then we can see for the sixth. Okay, this is about the fifth design. Yeah, this is for the fifth design is it seems look like a helmet. Seems look like a helmet of robot maybe, and but it unique because if this design using the futuristic design with the dome and the shape is similar with the helmet, but the entrance or the window with the transparent material, it's not only using the transparent material but using the wood frame, so it's make the uniqueness or make the action of this sixth or this fifth design. It was great inspiration for us, and I still can't imagine about the how to build that. Maybe it's using composite material, for the envelopes and using the steel or using the steel frame maybe. Okay, if you have a commenter, if you have an opinion about this futuristic design, you can type on the commenter below. Okay, this is about the sixth design. This is sixth design is I mean it's was good because of the length of the tiny home. I mean it's not a small tiny home, but it's the typical of large or extra large tiny home with a length. And I mean in my opinion it could accommodate a lot of function and a lot of needs of user needs. I mean, this is so cool, perfect, and great composition. I mean, I like it because it's was not only about the shape, not only about the dome, or not only about the curve, but it has a futuristic accent. It has a futuristic exterior for the right side area, especially for the door and transparent material on this one. Okay, this is. I mean, it was cool. It was great. It's looked like an alien of this forest. I mean, but it make the uniqueness. It make the uniqueness of this tiny home, and it looks so funny. It looks so great for the futuristic tiny home, maybe. Okay, then for the eighth design, um, I think it has a creative idea because the courtyard it's using for embrace the tree, so the tiny home could combine with the nature. The tiny home could combine with the environment, with the nature, and it was good idea. It was great architectural design of the tiny home itself. Anyway, then I mean I like the aerodynamic design of the tiny home. I mean it's will be sweet for the stormy environment or stormy weather because of the aerodynamic shape of this tiny home, and it has a courtyard with impressed with the nature. Okay, it was very beautiful. It was very amazing because of it's not only about the curve of the envelopes, but it's also have spirit. It has it also have a spirit because of the color is very inspired for us. Not only about the ordinary tiny home, but it gave us some experience about the visualization, especially from the outside. So this is about the iconic tiny home. It's almost completely iconic tiny home because of the color is amazing with the combination for the envelopes and curvy shape of the tiny home. I mean, then the next design is very great. I mean, the color is not very contrast, or maybe it's contrast color, or it seems like a multicolor on the one envelopes. I mean, it's my opinion, and it was have a different experience for the exterior design of the tiny home. And we can look for the little bit of the details, especially for the transparent window with the circular transparent window, as we can look from the outside just like this. And okay, I think it was great. Okay, thanks for watching this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you very much.